Today, we will be creating easy cloth face masks. You will need the following materials: face mask template, printed cotton fabric, plain light cotton fabric for the lining, elastic, needle and thread or a sewing machine. Print out the template, which is available on our website. Cut out your template according to the size needed. Place the template with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Cut out 2 pieces of the printed fabric and another 2 pieces for your face mask lining. Place the cut-out pieces with the right sides together. Pin into place. Sew the fabric leaving a centimeter seam allowance. Repeat the same process for your fabric lining. Open and iron the middle seam. Place the right sides of the printed face mask and face mask lining together. Pin into place. Sew together with a centimeter seam allowance. Leave an inch of the face mask unsewn. Cut around the edges of the face mask. Turn your face mask inside out. Straighten the edges and push through the corners. Fold the unsewn part of the seam inside and pin into place. Position your face mask and leave half a centimeter allowance. Sew around the face mask. Cut off an excess thread. Measure 9 inches of your elastic semi-stretched. Overlap about a centimeter of the elastic forming a circle. Sew into place. Position the elastic on the side of your face mask. Sew into place. Repeat for the other side. Cut off any excess thread. You have just completed your cloth face mask. Visit the links in the description below for your template. Don't forget to subscribe, like or share the video. Thank you for watching.